Ano, para ang masasamang tao tuluyan ng maglaho. Change is coming. Yeah!
Maraming salamat! Thank you, Moy! Alam mo, nasisente ako na ginagawa natin one last time, no?
Hindi, magagawa natin yung sunod-sunod.
Gawa pa tayo. At syempre, isa sa mga nagtaguyo din kay Mayor at kasama namin siya nung Waidukay. At naging spokesperson, nakita niyo yung ginawa ng Duterte Creatives, yung talking heads natin. Kung hinahangaan ko po talaga yung partnership nitong dalawang to dahil napakabuti po ng kalooban po nila. Isa sila sa mga unang nag-respond po dun sa Kidapawan Massacre at saka dun po sila po nagtataguyo nagtatanggol dun sa mga taong inaapi dun. Alam ko, at ang pinaka-masaya dun sa ginagawa nila ay hindi nila ito ginagawa para magkaroon ng publicity or anything. Dati ginagawa nilang pagkukusa lang yun. But syempre, dahil sila ay beauty queen and actress. talaga beauty queen and actress. Saka syempre, celebrity din po si Aiza Sigera. Talagang nasusunod siya. At nagiging mabuting ehemplo po sila sa mga ibang Duterte supporters din. Kasi napaka-socially aware po nilang mag-asawa. At ako po ay lubos-lubos na nagpapasalamat at nakakuha sila ng sandali para makapagbakasyon dahil po grabe po ang lagari din po nila sa hanap buhay po namin. Alam niyo po, mahirap po sa showbiz. Akala po ng ibang tao, madali lang po. Kaya palakpakan po natin dahil napakahirap pong maghanap ng phone sa kanilang schedule. Pero naririto po sila sa ating intimate gathering para sa inyo dahil kaisa po natin sila sa adhikain natin. Walang iba kundi si Aiza Sigera at syempre si Liza Dino Sigera. Okay, dalhin mo yung Facebook Live ba? Facebook Live. Grabe, bilib talaga ako sa'yo.
Hanggang ngayon.
Bilib talaga. Yan, okay. Okay.
Ito na lang.
Hi, fans! Meron.
Say hello,
Ayan. Habang nagsiset up ng direct box si Aiza, ikaw muna ang magsastall para sa kanya. Si Jumela maghahawak yan. Jumela, ayan. Seb, thank you, thanks, Seb.
Okay, habang nagsiset up si Aiza. Good evening po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Liza Dino Sigera. Siguro unang-una, congratulations sa ating tagumpay. Ayan. Grabe. Actually, if not for social media, I don't think, and I think the President himself recognizes this, hindi tayo mananalo. Dahil ibang klase ang makinarya ng sense of volunteerism ng bawat isa. So, actually kahapon nasa Davao kami. It was for a different purpose. I had a meeting naman with a women's group. But sinuwerte kami na just before our day ended, it was at 2 in the morning, we got a text na pwede kaming pumunta, nandun si Mayor dun sa kanyang favorite hangout place dun sa Davao, sa After Dark. And he was meeting yung mga may meeting siya with sila Bongbong Marcos, ganyan. And we were given the chance to visit him kasi we haven't seen him since that day doon sa Luneta rally nating lahat. So lahat tayo sumuporta. That was our pinaka last hurrah para sa kanyang para to root for him sa presidency. So it was the first time for us to see him, and he looked so well rested. Kahit na very nocturnal siya, no? Talagang ang mga meetings niya is laging wee hours of the morning, but he looked way better kasi talagang nakita naman natin how stressed siya during the campaign, and it was very refreshing to see him very relaxed. And then, nakakatuwa siya. Alam mo, ibang klase yung feeling na meron kang presidente na abot kamay mo. And it doesn't just go for us. Ramdam naman nating lahat, di ba? Kung gaano siya ka-sincere, gaano siya kamapagmahal, at talagang ramdam natin ang kanyang sinseridad, at lagi niyang sinasabi na mahal ko ang Pilipino, mahal ko ang Pilipinas. And I've never felt it said in its truest and purest sense.
Yes.
Except when eto, dumating na to, ang ating mahal na presidente. So, yun, wag tayong mapagod. Marami pang darating. Our mayor is, the president is a man of contradiction. And siguro on my end, and I'm sure everybody knows naman, lahat tayo nasa social media, there may be things. Siguro kami, and I would like, and this is already a personal thing, Aiza and I chose to support our president out of our own volition. Hindi kami pinilit ng iba, hindi kami binayaran. So, I think it's because it gives us the license also to keep where we are and stay and stand for our beliefs. And there may be things in the future that we may not agree with dun sa ating presidente. But it will never change our support for him. And I think the mayor himself will encourage this. Because this is his very core. That we can be different in our opinions, but we can be the same. We have the same goal. And it is to unite the Philippines. So sana, ako personally, I would personally like to share this with you guys. During the campaign, hindi ko nararamdaman yung mga sinasabi nila na merong mga rabid supporters. And I think this is the perfect time for me to just really use this opportunity to address this issue. Parang hindi totoo yan. Pag may tumatawag na Dutertes, galit na galit kami. Pag nagagalit, if they use these extreme words against us, kami yung unang-unang nagagalit. Siguro kasi we never became the butt of that, yung target na yon. Of that, that fanaticism, that extremism. Until last week, in my own Facebook, I shared my point of view about the whistling and the catcalling incident. I think pinag-isipan kong mabuti yung pagsusulat ko. I became, the target of some fanatics na talagang I don't think will do our president any good. We are here to support him, pero hindi din tayo nagpo-promote ng hatred. And if you can imagine, and I'm sure you guys are always online, if you can read all the messages that are directed to me or Aiza, to wish death, patayin, on our immorality, may immoral kami. I don't think that's gonna help us. And I don't think that's gonna help the president. So yun, siguro bilang social media patriots na for our mayor, let's always, I'm sure and you've read naman Aiza's post about addressing that issue. Sana tayong lahat din, I encourage everybody to encourage everyone to be responsive, to promote positive activism. We can defend, we can protect, and we can help our president without words. At parang tayo pa mismo talaga yung naging instigate ng galit, di ba? So siguro I want to personally come from that end na and we had a chance to had a brief and intimate talk with our president, and wala kaming narinig na gano'n na yung mga sinasabi ng mga tao sa social media na galit na pwedeng magalit or galit balimbing kami and everything. No. Our loyalty and our support has not changed. But I think more than the president, our loyalty is to our country. So sana wag nating kalimutan in the same way, at the same time na talagang pinoprotektahan natin at sinusuportahan natin ang ating presidente. So yun lang masasabi ko. Maraming salamat sa inyong lahat. And kung hindi dahil sa inyo, talagang hindi magiging posible to. But we have a president now, a working president. Let's continue to help him. Let's continue to support him. Thank you.
Okay, tatakpan lang natin to. Para sa, syempre naka-Facebook Live tayo. Thank you very much sa ating mga supporters na nandyan. Gusto ko lang sabihin, sana we contain the issue. Everybody's entitled to their own opinion. At itong dalawang to, I can vouch for them. And I will tell you the truth, for me, deep in my heart of hearts, mabubuting tao po talaga yan, dalawang yan.
Ako hindi.
So, ayun na, tatanong niya kung bakit. Ito na lang, mahal.
Ayan.
Ba? Oo. Iba yung gain level.
Na hindi natin kailangan madira ng iba. Kasi tayo, galit na galit tayo pag ginagawa na, di ba? Nakaka-bad trip yun eh. Ba't hindi nila makita yung magaganda ginagawa ni Dico? Utangin na mo! We do the same thing sometimes. And sometimes much worse. Much worse. And yun nga, like what she said, this past week, medyo kami yung napagbuntunan ng ganyang klaseng negativity. Our president is a president. Hindi naman. So, as social media patriots, we have a responsibility. We have a responsibility kay Mayor na pangalagaan natin ang pangalan niya. Na protektahan natin siya. Responsibilidad natin yon bilang mga supporters. Hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung pangalan niya to bully other people. Siya galit na galit nga sa ganun eh. Ano sinabi niya pagkaupo niya? Unity. Gusto niya maging united ang lahat. Kasi pagkatapos ng kampanya, ang dapat na goal natin ay maayos ang Pilipinas. Kaya naman natin siya binoto, di ba? Kasi gusto nating maayos ang Pilipinas. Yun na ang goal ngayon. And definitely, andyan pa rin yung iba. Maninira at maninira pa rin. But I think we can counter that. Kung nagawa nga natin na from very low rating si Mayor at siya ngayon ang presidente na ng Pilipinas, magagawa nating makounter ang negativity ng positivity. At ako naniniwala ako, guys, naniniwala ako na if we remain positive, if we just do this positive activism for the Mayor, mas maraming tao ang makakaintindi sa kanya. Mas maraming tao ang bibilib sa kanya. Mas maraming tao ang makakakita at magmamahal sa kanya gaya ng pagmamahal natin. Huwag natin gayahin yung mga ibang yun.
Nawawala po, ma'am.
So, mag-wrap up na ba tayo, Pebbles? So,